Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Flexseed Gel. So guys, for this whole video I only used 2 ingredients. It was this flex seeds that I got from Walmart and filter water that I pulled from out of gallon of water. I initially started off with just 2 cups of water, but eventually you will see in the video I had to add like another cup of water to the mixture because it was a little too thick. So I start off by putting the water in the pan and turning on my stove on high before I pour the flex seeds in. Now I'm gonna measure out my flex seeds and pour it in with the water. So guys, this is my first time ever making Flexseed Gel. You're gonna see in this video I did a lot of stirring because like I found when I didn't stir the pot, it stuck to the pot. But I don't know, like I'm gonna make another batch of this in a couple of days, but this is just like my first time, as I said before. So at this point right here, you can see that it's starting to get really thick. And this is where I had to add the 1 cup of water because I just knew it was way more seeds than water and it shouldn't have been like that, you know. So I just added more water and let it cook down and keep on letting it boil. I'm waiting till I see like a stream of mucus that forms from this Flexseed Gel in order for my gel to be done, and I let it sit. It has a really weird look to it, as you can see. Like I told you guys, I did a lot of stirring. I probably didn't stir as much as it looked like it, but the way that I edit the video, I'm stirring the whole time, as you can see. Like I said, I'm just gonna let it keep cooking until I get that mucus stream, and then I'm gonna turn off the fire and let it just sit there and cool off for me to be able to take it out of the pan and put it inside of containers. Alright, we're getting somewhere. I noticed something. As the gel begins to be ready, the seeds start to be more at the bottom of the pot and not at the top floating. And now you can see, like, look at the gel. Okay, we're getting somewhere with this baby. If you notice, I keep pushing the gel from off the side of the pot because I'm trying to see when I'm going to get that stream of mucus that's going to stick together, and I'm almost there. See, at this point right here, this one I know is almost time. Well, it's about time to just turn off this pot and let it sit and cool. So it's time to transfer the gel into containers so I can be able to put it in my hair easily. Okay, at this point I'm going to turn off my pot and I'm going to let my gel sit for an hour before I transfer. I'm going to transfer my gel inside of stocking caps so it could be easy for me to squeeze it out and put it inside of this measuring cup. From the measuring cup, I'm going to put it in the containers of my liking. You can use any container that you see fit. That's going to be easy for you to apply this gel to your head. I found this stocking cap method to be so easy, and like it wasn't messy. Like it was a little messy, but it wasn't messy as in it was getting everywhere. It was more controlled and managed, like from the pot to the stocking cap and to the measuring cup. It was just that simple. Okay, now I'm gonna take the gel and transfer it into all of these containers that I have sitting here prepared. By me putting it inside of this measuring cup, it made it that much easier to transfer it from the measuring cup into the containers. Like, I wanted this process to be as less messy as possible. Look at the gel falling down the cup right now. That's how easy it is to be so messy. And that concludes the video for today. Guys, I'm going to do a review on how this gel worked on my head, what I'm going to do different from this time, and just leave a comment below on what do you guys would like to see from me next. Thank you everyone who watched. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, like this video.